Our plant produces about 150 million pounds of sausage annually. What it does is it deals with Jimmy Dean fresh breakfast sausage. It became apparent to us, looking at the efficiency of the lines, we knew we could make improvements, but we didn't really have visibility into the process to see where those improvements could be made. The food restrictions and the weight requirements of our product, we have to hold a certain standard of our weights. Every state does a check on your product as it's shipped. So we have a minimum requirement of meat that we have to put in every package, and we generally aim for just over that. So we're looking at a control limit standpoint of making sure that we're filling appropriately, but not so much excess that we're giving away too much product. Before we started this process, it was our quality auditors every half an hour would go out and take 10 to 15 samples from each of our filling lines and measure weights. The challenges that we faced to fix it were examining the various areas we found where the waste was occurring and trying to determine how we could correct those issues. The data collection was very important. It allowed us to go back and do some statistical analysis on each of the lines, find out various times of the day, which operators were operating the machines, go back and look at meat temperatures and fat percentages of the sausage, and evaluate the entire process. So we brought Rockwell and Grantech Systems as the integrator in to take a look at our problem. We discussed various solutions and what we wanted to do with the solution. For the dashboards, they're unique to the facility. It was what the New Bern plant wanted to see. So we set up 3 of them, one for the entire department, then we grouped the machines for the second one, and then there's a dashboard for each individual machine. For the various levels of our personnel at the plant, and even at the corporate level, they can go in and very easily see kind of an overview of what's happening on each machine or the group or the entire department. We view the project as a success. The plant is seeing the yield improvement we were expecting of around 0.1%, which doesn't sound like much, but over 1 million pounds of meat, it adds up very quickly. There's someone who's looking at the problem now who has a better solution than what we might otherwise see.